Something special. No. It's already pouring. Go and get your plates. Kiki, go and get your plates.
Something special. Sorry, banana bread hurts.
Hey, puff. Ma, go and make my affair. Give me can I answer? Ana sorry. Again, when I puff. Ana sorry.
So someone call him. You have vegan banana bread. Your glasses. Hmm? Mama, come. Easy. Good girl. Gently. Mama. Chef, so. Are you chef?
No.
No, you what? I have put so many things you can come. Even now.
"2,000 years later."
This was me just basically packing the school lunch for the day, and school has resumed. We are back to reality. And we're having macaroni with some apples and the rest. So this just made me to think back memory lane. During our time, like if you really understand. If you're old school, you really understand. Our parents didn't really do too much. Some people will just give you money for snacks. Some people sometimes they'll give you maybe 100 naira or 50 naira as the case may be, depending the value of what money was at that time. And some people they don't even give you any money. They just give you
Everything is very
your snacks, biscuits. Sometimes drinking juice was luxury. But see children of these days, you pack lunch, you pack actual meal, you pack dessert. So let me just say you pack appetizer, many and dessert for them. What does this imply? It implies that it goes more than like everything is evolving. Times have passed when parents just do the usual. They want to go all out for their children. for them to know that they really matter. And at the end of the day, for them to also know that yes, they are being taken good care. Okay, are we doing too much in this current era? Because I know people, this now brings me to the extent that people just go on internet and go and be promoting your favorite person's posts. It's not your page, it's my post. So why are you talking to me? And you see your favorite woman, they'll come and be talking down on someone, saying, hey, you're doing too much, this is too much for a child's lunch bag. This is too much for lunch. This is too much. How is it your business? You don't concern me. They can afford it. Leave them to do it. Just like I go out and ask myself that, or rather, I know that me basically I'm not the fan that goes to buy every new item at every point of every school resumption. Because I know that if their bag is still good, why are you going to buy another one?
You're happy to
If the
resume.
water
Buckle
bottle
this
is still
place.
good, why are you going to buy another one? So, but if there are some people that can afford to be changing, it's not to me, it's not really even about
Let's go,
affordability.
let's go, let's go.
If the things are still good, why waste? But somebody wants to be buying everything
Carry the
new
gun.
every section, no concern me. So why putting and writing, dropping bad comments on people's videos? It was just us
Look at
basically.
there to your transport. So we should leave my bag. Let's go. Carry my food bag. Then tell auntie to give me soup plate. Are you soup plate? Are you staying in front? So excuse. Ready to go to?
School.
You're happy to resume, right?
Yes, I'm happy.
You're happy to Cake, are you happy to go to school? What is the dancing to you?
What is it? Your head.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Kiki.
You gonna see Miss? 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 Miss?
Jennifer. Alright, let's go. It's time to go to school. We've already prayed inside, right?
Yes, okay.
So be a good girl, like I said. Be a good.
Good.
Be a good.
Boy.
Good. Give mommy high five. Give mommy big high five now. Use that hand. Use this hand. Give mommy big high five. Bye.
Remember me?
I'm not. Give mommy big high five.
Yeah.
Kiki, give mommy big high five. Another one. That's my airpod. Thank you. Let's go. Carry your lunch bag. Did she finish that tea?
Come and carry your bag.
Come and take your vitamin C.
Get ready with
Vitamin C?
or morning
You don't
routine
want?
because I really
Why?
don't like showing this part
I'll
of me,
give
but
my
I'm
mama.
always rushing.
I take.
So I don't know.
It's sweet.
I'm
You
wanting
want
you
me?
to listen to this audio,
In the afternoon.
so you know this is
Mom
what I
will come and
struggle
carry
with
you
every
in the
time.
afternoon. If you don't take it,
We'll
take
come
your
back.
vitamin C.
I take. Good boy. Man,
Let me do.
I let daddy give you.
My friend. Okay, boy, my friend.
You know. Banyan solution, banyan. I take. He doesn't want his vitamin C. Should I? See, my mama will take it too. I take. Mommy will take it too. Should I take it? Alright, bye.
You want only white, that's one day.
You want only white? I take only white. Take orange. Take orange.
If you have,
Let's pray. So start sing.
no one give me one.
Sing. Let's pray.
I know you come from heaven.
Another question I wanted to ask is that how do you guys even manage? Well, let me not say manage. You get people know how they plan their things, especially stay at home moms. They know how they coordinate, and people that are business owners, not like us that we're answerable to somebody. So this was just me basically after work. I went to the mall to just impulse buying. I wanted to pick one thing. Please, does this happen to you? You go to the mall and say, I want to pick one thing. Sorry, now your name. You pick even the one they don't send you because when you know that when you come back, they'll ask you, Mommy, what did you buy? So at this point, I was done and I paid. And I called it a night. So thank you guys for watching. Watch this point. Thank you so much.
I'm talking to myself.
Something special. No, it's already pouring.
What's this thing?
How does it look like? Go and bring plates. No, you don't do that.
What's that?
Go and get your plates. Kiki, go and get your plates.
Something special.
You don't like it? Kiki, do you like it? It's yummy. Oh.
I'm gonna use it.
Huh?
To bite me.
It will bite you.
Yes. Yes.
Kiki. I'm going to devour this. No, you. That's nice. We'll taste the video.
Push the deals.
The what? This fish, Keke, give me the fork now. Since you don't want to eat the fish, you're scared. Please, I'm going to devour this off camera. My people are scared of the fish. They say it's a live catfish. Especially my son said, "Mommy, I'm scared." He's running away. I don't know whether you guys can see him. So, we have officially come to the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stop that. Button your nightwear. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I meant to relax my hair. I look good. Close up. I look good. Tomorrow, this madam will go and relax her own. And we'll call it the weekend.
It's a weekend.
What do you say? What do you tell them? Tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe, like, share, and
Comment.
yes, I'll see you guys.
Comment.
We'll see you guys
Later.
Alright, bye.
Bye bye.